Welcome back to my YouTube channel Coin of World. Today we are going to dive even deeper into the complete professional history of the 5 euro cent 2002 coin, a coin that may look small in size but carries a massive historical and economic importance. The story of this coin begins long before 2002, when European nations dreamed of creating a single unified currency to strengthen trade, reduce economic barriers, and bring people closer together. After decades of discussions, agreements, and economic planning, the euro was finally introduced as physical money in 2002, and the 5 euro cent coin became one of the first coins millions of Europeans held in their hands. This coin represents the beginning of a new era where borders became less important in daily trade and shared identity became more visible in everyday life. The 5 euro cent 2002 coin was issued by multiple countries at the same time, yet it carried a common reverse design to show unity, while the obverse design reflected national identity. This balance between unity and diversity is one of the most powerful ideas behind the euro project. The coin is made of copper-plated steel, which gives it a strong structure and a bright reddish color that is easy to recognize among other euro coins. Its size, weight, and magnetic nature were carefully chosen so that vending machines, banks, and cash handling systems could easily identify it. The reverse side, designed by Luke Lewick, shows a map of Europe with lines connecting the continents, symbolizing cooperation, communication, and shared destiny. At the time of the 2002 release, the map showed the European Union as it existed then, making early euro coins a snapshot of history that later changed as new countries joined the Union. Each country that adopted the euro in 2002 minted its own version of the 5 euro cent coin with a unique national design on the front. For example, Germany used the oak twig, symbol of strength and endurance. Italy featured the Colosseum, representing ancient history and cultural pride. France displayed Marianne, a symbol of freedom and republic values. Spain showed the Cathedral of Santiago de Compostela, highlighting religious and historical heritage. This makes the 5 euro cent 2002 coin especially interesting for collectors because one denomination can exist in many visually different forms depending on the country of issue. In daily life, the 5 euro cent coin quickly became one of the most commonly used coins across Europe. It was used for small purchases, rounding prices, and making exact change, and because of its heavy circulation, many coins show wear scratches and discoloration, which tells the story of millions of hands, market shops, and journeys across cities and countries. From a collector perspective, high condition examples from 2002 are harder to find, especially from certain countries with lower mintages. Some versions are common, while others are more desirable due to limited production, making this coin an entry point for beginner collectors and a completio. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Coin of World. Today we continue our deep journey into the history of the 5 euro cent 2002 coin, a coin that may appear small in value, but carries a massive historical and cultural importance. The year 2002 marked a turning point in European history as physical euro coins entered circulation for the first time across participating countries, replacing long-standing national currencies like the German mark, French franc, Italian lira, Spanish peseta and many others, the 5 euro-cent coin was designed to be durable, affordable, and easily recognizable for daily transactions, and its copper-coated steel composition was chosen not only for cost efficiency but also for durability and magnetic properties. Useful for vending machines and banking systems, the common reverse side shows a map of Europe without internal borders, symbolizing unity, peace, and cooperation after centuries of division and conflict, while the obverse side varies by country. Each nation added its own cultural symbol, royal emblem, or national identity, making the 2002 5 euro-cent coin a fascinating field for collectors because the same year and denomination exists in many designs across different countries. Collectors study mint marks, production numbers, edge styles, and condition grades to determine rarity and value, and some countries produced significantly fewer coins than others, which makes certain versions more desirable. The coin has a smooth edge, round shape, and lightweight feel, making it practical for everyday use, yet its symbolic weight is far greater, representing economic integration, trade freedom, and shared destiny. The introduction of the euro also simplified travel, business, and commerce across Europe, eliminating exchange confusion and strengthening economic ties, and the 5-euro-cent coin became one of the most frequently exchanged coins in markets, cafes, buses, and shops across the continent. Over time, these coins witnessed inflation changes, economic crises, expansions of the European Union, and technological changes in payment systems, yet they remain in circulation today, reminding us of the early days of the Euro dream. For collectors, the 2002 issue holds special meaning because it is the first year of circulation. Coins from this year often attract beginner collectors and historians alike, as they represent the birth of a new monetary era. Studying this coin allows us to understand not only numismatics but also political cooperation, design philosophy, and economic strategy behind a unified currency. And as we continue this video, we will explore each country version, minting process, metal science, circulation, lifespan, collector value, and hidden facts that make the 5-euro-cent 2002 coin a timeless piece of modern history.